Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mohammad Sohail and today I am going to teach you very interesting topic from pharmaceutical analysis first, that is redox titration. In this lecture we are going to learn concept of oxidation and reduction. This lecture is going to be very interesting to all of you. So it's my request to you, if you people have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from my YouTube channel. In this lecture we'll see what is oxidation, what is reduction, what do you mean by redox reaction. So without any further delay, let's begin with our today's session. First of all, what do you mean by oxidation? Originally, oxidation was defined on the basis of addition and removal of oxygen from the compound, as addition of oxygen is termed as oxidation while removal of oxygen is known as reduction. But this definition doesn't work properly for all substances and it has been modified in terms of the change in the valency, as oxidation involves increase in the valency while reduction involves decrease in the valency. Later on, it has been suggested that the oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in the same reaction, that is, in a chemical processes. One substance is oxidized, then the same time another substance of the reaction can be reduced. Thus, on the basis of oxidation and reduction is now defined on the basis of electron transferring during the process. Now coming to what is oxidants and reductants. Oxidants is also known as oxidizing agent. It can be defined as the substance which gain electron and itself get reduced. Then second, reductants. Reductants is also known as reducing agent. It can be defined as the substance that remove electrons and itself get oxidized during a chemical process. Then moving forward, what is redox reaction? The reaction in which electrons are transferred from atoms or ions called reductant to other atoms or ions called oxidant are called redox reaction. Or the reaction in which oxidation and reduction process occur simultaneously are called redox reaction. Now what is redox titration? In titrometric analysis, we can find out the quantity of the pure component based on the measurement in volume of standard solution that react completely with the analyte. This measurement is possible in different reactions. A redox reaction is a chemical process in which change in the valency of the reacting element or ion takes place, or it may be also defined as the reaction in which the substance to be determined is either oxidized or reduced. The titration involving such type of reaction is termed as redox titration. So this was the basic introduction lecture. I hope you must have been clear to this topic. If you people like the video, then please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.